Okay, let's quickly assemble the part that I'm making for the game connect4. I'll show you how I do it. The only main thing you need is super glue, and you need clamps to be able to clamp them together. I use ABS, and ABS bond very sturdily, very strongly. So once you have a good glue, super glue, you will be fine. Get the STL file for the game in 3D printing, go to my website www.3dprintanddesign.com 3dprintanddesign.com, and you can download the STL file and also follow the instruction. On that website you can see the other project that I do, and you can download them as well. If you want a better deal, you can go to my Patreon page. My Patreon page is 3D Print and Design. 3D Print and Design, and you can subscribe, have access to all the projects that I'm doing, and download them there. You have a better deal on my Patreon, so don't hesitate to subscribe. You will love it. You have every project that I do available on my Patreon, and you can download files, print them, and sell them as well. Plus you have assistance from us if you need any help for any specific project. We'll be available to assist you and help you. See you in the next video.